The next topic of chapter is transfer of charge. Transfer of charge means electrical charges can be transferred from a charged object to another uncharged object through a metal conductor. So we can say when a charged body is brought in contact with an uncharged body, charges are transferred from the charged body to the uncharged body, and this method of charging any uncharged body is called charging by contact or conduction. And if a body is charged by contact, it gets the same charge as the charged body. It means if the charged body is having positive charge, then the uncharged body will get positive charge and vice versa. We can observe the transfer of charge by using an electroscope. So electroscope, we can say, is a device which is used to detect the charge on any object. Dear students, we have studied that the unlike charges attract and like charges repel each other. However, both the charges attract uncharged bodies or particles. So this electroscope is used to detect whether a body possesses a charge or not. So we can say the electroscope works on the principle of that like charges repel each other. The first electroscope was gold leaf electroscope, which was invented by Abraham Bennett in the 18th century. So today I will explain you about the electroscope. So we can say electroscope is a device used to test whether an object is having electric charge or not. A simple electroscope can be made by using any empty bottle, any empty jar made up of glass through which we can see. Second thing we require is a piece of cardboard, a paper clip and two small strips of aluminium foil. What we have to do now, pass one end of the paper clip through the cardboard and hang the two aluminium strips from the other end as shown in the diagram. So now what we will do, if a charged body is touched to the end of the paper clip, now we have to bring that object on which we have to determine whether it is charged or not. So we have to bring that charged body to the upper end of this electroscope and touch with the paper clip. And after touching the object with the paper clip, if the aluminium strips repel each other, it means that object is carrying the charge, because when we touch the object, any charged object with the paper clip, through this paper clip the charge is transferred to the aluminium strips, and since both the aluminium strips get the same charge, and as we know same charges repel each other, so these aluminium strips will be apart from each other. So this electroscope can be used to detect the charge on any object. Here in third diagram is shown an gold leaf electroscope, in which gold leaf are used in place of aluminium strips, and that's why it is called gold leaf electroscope. So this is a very simple device, you can say, which is used to detect whether an object is carrying charge or not. Now next is electric discharge. What is electric discharge? As we know, human body is a good conductor of electricity. So if we touch a charged electroscope with our hand, the charges pass through our body to the earth and the metal strips collapse. Collapse means they again come to their position. This property is called electric discharge. So in short we can say the leaking of electric charges is called electric discharge. So if we are touching the upper end, that is paper clip of this electroscope, with our fingers or hands, then what will happen, this charge from the electroscope will be transferred to the human body, and through our body this charge will be transferred to the earth, because human body as well as earth is a good conductor of electricity. This process of transferring electric charges from a charged body to the earth is called earthing. That's why in buildings earth wire is also provided to prevent the building from, or the people who are living in this building, from any electric shock. So earthing is provided in buildings to protect us from electric shock due to leakage of electric current. So in short we can say electroscope is a very simple device which is used to detect whether an object is having charge or not. If the aluminium repel each other, it means that object is carrying the charge, and if there is no change in the position of the aluminum strips, it means that object is not carrying any charge. Thank you. Have a nice day.